Hi there, students. To configure, a verb. The configuration of something, a noun. Okay, the configuration is the way something is arranged. Something is arranged in a certain way, in a certain configuration, so that it can do a specific job. Now, very often we use this word to configure or configuration for a computer, and this means to arrange the computer so that it will do the tasks that you need it to do. Okay, different people use computers for different things. So the computer could be configured to play video games, or it could be configured to process videotape, or it could be configured as a word processor. Okay, so this is to arrange the configuration, to arrange it in the specific way that you want to use it. It might also mean to actually build it with the configuration that you want. Let's see, when you first get your computer, you need to configure it so that it's ready for use. You need to put all of the different settings in the right position so that it will work for you. Okay, a configuration. It's an arrangement or a group of things. So, for example, the configuration of a house. Very often in the UK, the configuration is a living room and a kitchen downstairs, and 2 bedrooms and a bathroom upstairs. This is one of the most common configurations. Okay, the way that it's set out, the relative arrangement of the different parts, the shape. Yeah. Okay, so the configuration, the way that it is arranged, the way that it works. Okay, so the way it is made. In chemistry, you could have the configuration of the electrons in a molecule, the positions that they take, where they are. Or in Gestalt, you have a personality configuration, the different characteristics that go together to make up a person's character. So to configure, to set up, in order to operate in a particular way. So cars in the UK are configured so that you can drive on the right. Is it the right? Well, the configuration is the opposite to the configuration in continental Europe. Okay, so it's the way the location of the different parts, the way or the settings for the different parts, the arrangement, the layout, the organization, what you actually want it to do. Okay, so if you configure something, you put its parts together in a particular arrangement. And then in your computer, you configure your computer to make it able to do the particular tasks that you want, or to work in a particular way. So you configure something, you design it, you arrange it, you set it up with a view to use it for one specific application or various different applications. So a vehicle could be configured for military use, but the same vehicle might also be configured for for civilian use, and this would talk about putting the various elements in different places or making them work in different ways. Yeah, so to configure, to assemble, to put together, to set up, to compose, to pattern, to shape, to structure. Okay, formality, to configure, configuration. I think I'm going to give it a 5.5, maybe a 6, 5.5 informality. Use informally, but it's a little bit more than informal. Use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, or something very formal. Yeah, therefore you can use it anywhere. And as to origin, it comes from Latin configurare, yeah, which comes from configuro, con together and figuro to figure, so to put in position together. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Configure, configuration.